You're watching channel Maths and Methods Academy. In this video we are going to find the value of x raised to power 5 plus y raised to power 5 when x plus y and xy is given. Let's carry on with our solution. X square plus y square when multiplied with x cube plus y cube gives x5 plus y5 plus x cube y squared plus x squared y cubed. Now we know that a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. So from here we can write a squared plus b squared is equal to a plus b squared minus 2ab. This is number 1. And we also know that a plus b cube, so not a plus b cube, it is actually a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a squared minus ab plus b squared, and this is, we call it number 2. Now instead of this x squared plus y squared, using this formula number 1, we can write x plus y squared minus 2ab, and then instead of x cube plus y cube we can write x plus y into x squared minus xy plus y squared. Okay, on the right side we have x5 plus y5 plus, we will take x squared y squared common in the next two terms, so we will be left with x plus y. Here on the left side we will do further simplification. It is x plus y squared minus, sorry, it is xy, not ab, minus 2xy. In the next bracket it is x plus y, and now instead of x squared plus y squared we can again write a x plus y squared minus 2xy, and there is one more xy which we will write here, and right side will become x5 plus y5 plus square of xy into x plus y. Just one more step, so x plus y squared minus 2xy, then x plus y, again x plus y squared. This will add because both are minus, now we have successfully converted the equation in the terms of x plus y and xy, and the remaining part is x5 plus y5. So if we can put the values of xy and x plus y, we can find the value of x5 plus y5. So let's go ahead with this. X plus y is 8, xy is 15, again x plus y is 8, x plus y again 8, minus 3 into 15, x5 plus y5, xy is 15 and its square, and then x plus y is 8. Let us solve this equation. So 8 square is 64 and 2 into 15 is 30. Then 8 square is 64 and 3 into 15 is 45. x5 plus y5. 15 square is 225 into 8, it will be 1800. Now 64 minus 30 is 34. 64 minus 45 is how much? It is 19. 8 into 19 is 152. Okay, now 34 into 152 is 5168. And we will bring 1800 on the left side and it will become negative. Therefore, xy plus y5 is equal to 3368, and which is the answer of this question. That's all for now. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel. Until the next time, take care and bye.